Welcome to the Senior Living Experience YouTube channel. My name is Shelby Reed and I'm one of the co-founders of the Senior Living Experience. I'm a licensed real estate agent here in the St. Louis area, and our team did over 100 moves of seniors into senior housing last year alone. One of the topics I wanted to talk about today is one of our most favorite services available through our program, which is our Unpacking Services. What our Unpackers do is they are present and there in your new apartment on move-in day, and they're working alongside and congruently with the moving team while the moving team is bringing your furniture and your pieces in. They're directing them where to put items based on your floor plan. So they're making sure the movers are putting that table in the right spot, that dresser on the right wall, that mirror on that corner, that lamp on that table, so that then things are put in the right position and they're ready for you when you do come home. The second piece of what they're doing is they're unpacking any boxes. So they're taking all the boxes that were packed and they're physically unpacking, unloading, getting rid of the boxes, getting rid of the packing paper, and they will start the process of putting things away. One of the biggest benefits of this is in the kitchen. So they'll take your plates and your bowls and your cups and your silverware and they'll unpack those items, either load them directly into your cabinets for you, or if there's a dishwasher in the unit, they'll go ahead and drop them in the dishwasher and run them through a cycle just to sanitize them and get them as clean as they possibly can. What they're also doing is they're unloading any bedding. So they're going to go ahead and make your bed. They're putting hanging clothes. They're taking hanging clothes out of wardrobe boxes and hanging them back up for you in your closet. We always tell all of our clients that it's not going to be probably 100% to your liking, but you'll be really surprised, and all of our residents are, when they come home and they are able to truly come home to their new apartment and walk in and see their picture frame set up or see their items set up on the kitchen table, very similar to how it was at your current or previous home. So as I mentioned, it's one of our favorite services. We love talking about it. We love sharing it. Our team is very passionate that does it. Their goal is truly to make it a home and make it a comfortable home, similar to your current home that you're living in now. So as always, please feel free to reach out. We'd love to talk with you more about these services. These unpacking services are part of our real estate and moving services here at the Senior Living Experience. So if you have any questions, we'd love to chat with you about it. So please reach out. And until next time, stay safe and stay healthy, and we'll talk to you all soon. Thanks.